Hi, it's Murray from the Icebreaker team. One thing we do as investment property owners is consistently assess the risk to our property. We look at tenants when they come into a new lease. We consider fire and storm damage insurance. We consider tenants, landlord insurance if the tenants are going to act in a way that impacts our property and costs us money. And one thing very few landlords in Australia even are aware of or think about is meth contamination. And meth contamination arises when someone creates and makes methamphetamines, and cooks it to turn it into the drug ice, and then they smoke the drug ice in our house. And the vapours from that drug, either cooked or smoked, can go into every porous surface in the house and totally destroy them. And you can't clean it using conventional cleaning methods like carpet cleaning or wiping down the walls. Sometimes the walls even have to be replaced. It's pretty horrendous. And one of the things people say to us is we're scaremongering. We're not scaremongering. It's the hard, cold facts. It's not a game to just sell something. It's pretty serious stuff. And the risk of it happening is fairly low, the same as a fire. We've actually done studies and looked at case studies and estimated the number of investment properties versus incidents in a city, and estimated it's actually twice the risk of a house fire, which is pretty startling. But we still insure for fire because we can't take the risk. One way to do that in a fairly minimal way that protects your property is to install the icebreaker. It'll cost you about the price of 2 coffees a week over a 10-year period. Gives you complete peace of mind. You can put a clause in the lease and tenants know instantly what will happen if they do anything. So we'd love to hear from you. You can email us zeroice@theicebreaker.com.au, or you can book a call in the emails we've been sending you. We'd love to talk to you and help you however we can.